Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get H&R Block hair and hat MMT updated. Start by confirming eligibility and reading the official terms carefully so you know what items qualify. Gather receipts, account info, and any required forms before you begin the submission process. Follow each upload step precisely and double-check file formats to avoid delays. Stay calm and methodical, and you should complete the claims smoothly and confidently. In this video, I will show how to get H&R Block hair and hat MMT updated. Begin by logging into your promotional account and selecting the correct claim form. Upload receipts and photos in accepted formats, then enter your contact and mailing information without abbreviations. Verify all fields and review attachments before hitting submit. Save confirmation emails and take screenshots of the final page to track progress and resolve any follow-ups quickly. In this video, I will show how to get H&R Block hair and hat MMT updated. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof containers for meal prep because they keep food fresh and prevent messy leaks in your bag. They pair well with busy claim days when you need reliable lunches on the go. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to get H&R Block hair and hat MMT updated. If you face a rejection, calmly read the explanation and resubmit corrected documents right away. Use chat or email support with your claim ID and attach screenshots showing the error and your receipts. Track all communications with dates and response names so you can escalate if needed. Persistence and clear records usually lead to a successful resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.